Okay guys, welcome back to the VB.net series video number 2 by Crown Network. Now, in this one, we're going to do a whole new project, and what we're going to call this one is Show Forms. Now, to a lot of new people here, you're not going to know how to show forms from another form. And and this is a thing that I had a hard time on when I first started, because I couldn't really find a video because I didn't know what to name it or anything. So I couldn't really find a video on how to do all of this. So I'm going to be showing you right now how to do all this. Now, I know I'm going a little fast, and as you can see, I'm talking and working in the background. All I'm doing is editing the properties, and if you didn't watch the first video, what I did is I just went through properties in the Hello World and the Advanced Hello World with everyone. So that's what I did. Alright, now this is, as you know, a button. I know you guys aren't stupid, so it's a button. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make this form right here show another form. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna start off by adding a button, and you can just enter the text show if you'd like. And then we're gonna go up here to project, add Windows form. Now to keep it simple, I just leave it form2.vb and hit add. But if you like it something short, like I'm gonna put CN for Crown Network. Because if you want a shorter code, then you don't want to take all that time and blah blah blah, you know what I mean? So now I'm just going to add something so you guys see that it is another form. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in form to Crown Network. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that right up here, and I'm going to shorten this. I'm not centering it, guys. I'm not trying to make it look good on form. Here, I'll move it over a little bit. Alright, back to our form one. I'm going to move this right here, and then just swing this up a little bit. Now this is going to be a short video, so I'm going to work through another thing in this, like I did the last one. We're going to work on API as well. So what we're first going to do is, after we add the button in a new Windows form, we're going to come over here to Windows, the form one, sorry guys, and we're going to double click that button. And now this is simple. This is really, really simple. When I mean simple, it is legit, like, it is two words in the sense of one. So what we're going to do is we're going to put in cn.show. That's all we put right there. That's all we put. Now, we can go ahead and hit the debug button. And when we hit show, it pops up. Now, you can edit the properties in this form as well. I didn't, to be honest with you guys. Alright, now that we're done with that, which I told you was a really, really fast thing, we're going to go ahead and work on API. Now, this may sound like it's a lot, but it is not a lot. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to go down right here till you see this, add new item. I'm going to hit the drop down. Wait, hold on guys, sorry. Hold up. Hold on a minute, I don't understand what's doing that. Alright, there we go. Make sure you click on the form. And we're going to add class. And we're going to add a thing called API. Now, you don't have to name it this, you name it to whatever you want. Alright, now that we're in this, and you can see this, and you're kind of scared, there's obviously no designer in this one, it's just pure code. Don't be scared, because it is not that hard. Now, let's start off with we're going to use functions in this one as the API. So we're going to type in function, space, message, and you can type this as whatever you want, that's just going to be the function. And it's going to automatically put it here when you hit enter. Now, don't worry about that line, don't worry about the line. Now what we're going to do is, we can say MSG box, and then we can put, this is a message from API, and then we can go ahead and close it up. And then what this is going to do is it's going to make it so you can code everything in here if you want a little bit of a neater thing, is then you can do like things like this. And then you can pretty much kind of clean up the code a little bit. I mean, if you're not following me, you don't have to really worry about this. But you can kind of, you know what I mean? You can just go ahead and label the codes out. And here in the form, it'll be, what it'll do is, it'll be, how do you say it? It'll be a cleaner code. But let's go back over to API and let's show you something a little bit different. Let's take this out of here and we're going to type in anything you want to run from a form. Like let's say this is an example. Form1 dot textbox 1 dot text, and it's going to give me an error because there's no text box on it. And what this is going to do is it's going to take the text box from form1 and read it. So what we're going to do is we're going to come back over here. We're going to add a text box, and it's going to take the error away. Don't worry, guys. And we're just going to stretch this over here, wherever you'd like. We're going to add a button. And now we're going to type in, we're going to use the button as show. And I'm going to clean it up again. I'm going to pull this up here. And now we're going to double click the button. Oh no. I'm going to double click this button. Don't worry if this comes up like that. Now what we're going to do is, up here, we're going to dim API as new API. And what this is going to do is let us use code from the API.vb. Now here, this is the easiest thing again. It's like a one-word code for a message box. Okay, it's going to be API.message. That's all it's going to be, just that. And now when we come up here and we hit this debug button, and the program comes up, we could type in this is a test and hit the show button. And as you can see, it displays whatever. Oops, sorry, you can't hit enter. Found that way. And that's pretty much simple API basics along with show forms. A lot of people like this API because it's easier code. It makes everything more clean and whatnot. Um, this is video number 2 of our VB.NET series. Video number 3 will be up very shortly. It should be up when you're done watching this video. So make sure you stay tuned and keep watching our videos because we go into really, really high def everything. And also remember, if there's a video or a tutorial that you want that we don't have, we'll be happy enough to supply it for you. So just send me a message, I'll get the message, I'll make the video, and I'll have it up within 24 hours. So that video will be up. Alright, thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and like if you like this video. This is Crown Network here today, and video 2 of our VB.NET series is now over.